No.
I don't know what STEM stands for.
No.
Science, technology, English and maths.
Some of the subjects are boring.
I find maths quite boring because I don't normally understand it.
I don't like kind of biology and science.
Some boring, some exciting.
I think science is a bit boring and confusing sometimes.
I think girls prefer to do like office jobs and jobs where you don't have to work, like labour work.
I think like sometimes they're pressured by boys, and like boys think they're better.
Men are like, they're actually made to do like lifting things and stuff, and women they're more of, I don't know, thinking side.
I think because most of it's like hard work.
I think it's probably more of a stereotype man job, so maybe women don't go for it as much, I don't know.
Okay, so we come to talk to you about design and gerontology. What is design and gerontology? Well, it is actually fashion and ageing. So it's using ageing as the starting point for designing.
Well, we've been exploring the way that science connects with fashion design, and we watched videos about hearing and about skin and about eyes and how they age, and we also had to tie it in with this design brief that we got, saying we had to use flowers. We did research and we got pictures of flowers and of eyes, and basically we're designing dresses and basing them on inspiration from the pictures.
They seem to be really enjoying themselves. Actually, they've been very focused and they've come up with some fantastic ideas.
We're doing ageing of the skin. Do you want to explain about the dress?
It gets thinner towards your legs, and then also the material we're going to use will get thinner and thinner and thinner, and it will get paler as well, like the skin does ages.
Experimenting how it would look if we layered this one in the skin. We're gonna have like roses in the band around it.
Taken an idea and you've made it into a wearable dress, so I guess you've succeeded.
Now, this is what we're going to be looking at, okay? It's called the flaming ice experiment. Can ice be flammable?
No.
So what do you think we're going to do to it?
Put it in calcium carbide.
Alright. Now this is the calcium carbide, okay? Alright, these are the ice cubes.
Just getting excited. When Vaseline is
Lift so you can hear the gases coming out. So what is happening here now is that the melted ice is reacting with the calcium carbide, and that is giving out the flammable gas. Second part of the program, okay? And it's making ice cream.
some milk, vanilla essence and some sugar in a small bag. And we fill up a big bag, half of ice, and put in 6 tablespoons of salt. We put this in here and shake it really hard, taking turns for 5 minutes. Shaking the ice and our mixture to make the mixture more solid. structure, so we knew it was done, and now we've got ice cream. It's nice.
Shopkeeper.
So I'm adding up and I'm adding all how much money each is spending.
A lot of people are buying lollipop sticks because that's what a lot of people are powering their turbines on. And paper is quite cheap.
The internal structure that we're going to cover in paper.
Plastic and put the generator, which is this, onto it with glue. And after, we stuck the code onto the generator. And this is basically how it's going to create the electricity. So we're kind of learning how all the process is to build a wind turbine.
Because we haven't got like sails, so we need to attach sails, which is alright. We've got half an hour, so it's doable.
Before it wasn't catching the wind, so it wasn't turning.
Electricity.
But now because it'll catch the wind, it'll turn and generate the power.
Right, you've all done particularly well. These are all some fantastic designs. We're just waiting for the final score. It's tense, isn't it? It is tense. Everybody give themselves a big round. And then an extra big round of applause for Green Fly. Well done. That was a big round of applause.
We won! We won!
Really good because they give us an insight into their jobs and what they do.
They said stuff that wasn't like facts that hasn't really been said to students here, and especially girls.
Kind of gave us some tips on what to study and where to go and how to make it to the top, so I thought they were really good.
They've given us a different viewpoint of engineering mostly.
It's really nice. I think what you could do with it is put bits of strawberry in it as well.
Oh yeah.
Did you make the recipe up or did you? Did you? It's nice.
I like what you've done with the calico. I like what's happening here, the way because it almost comes away and it adds texture.
We only had like
We only had like a day to
Yeah,
make
well
it.
done.
3
I
hours.
think it works. I think, what's the back like?
The back's
Just simple, that's fine. It's nice that you've thought about how you style it and you've actually thought what you put the top with, so I think it's great.
I think it gave us just a bigger understanding of certain subjects that we wouldn't normally look at.
Before this topic, I used to think like engineering was just a man's job and not a women's job, but now like I feel more strong than I might like go into it, and I feel more confident about it.
It showed that some of the jobs that we automatically stereotype as like a man's job, like all the construction, the building and stuff, is actually really fun, and we all enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah, I think I've done better in these kind of tasks than I would in normal lessons, because in normal lessons we're doing the same thing over and over, so you kind of get bored of it.
Everyone learned from each other, because I think there were lots of different things that we did and everyone sort of not cheated or not copied, but they sort of took elements of each other's ideas and everyone sort of shared, and it was very social and grouped.
I'm most proud of that I done things that I wasn't sure that I'd be able to do. Like, because when you hear when you first hear about it, it's kind of, you think it's hard, you wouldn't be able to do it because it's kind of a new thing. And then when you do it, you see that you're more capable of like doing other things.
Well, the reason why I think girls should take part in the STEM project is because it's an opportunity to boost up your confidence, and you have an opportunity to like actually see your own talent.
I've always wanted to be a doctor, but there are kind of other girls that might not have kind of thought about that kind of stuff, kind of thought that it wasn't really what girls should be doing. It's kind of opened new doors for people and kind of shown them that there are loads of opportunities out there for them.
Girls actually, we do actually need it, because we're very like shy and we always stay back compared to boys. They're very like, oh, we can do it, but girls can as well.